Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to leave a group chat in the Signal app. So on your phone, open the Signal app. Now tap on the group chat which you would like to leave. Tap on the group chat profile photo at the top of the screen. You will now see the chat settings of that group chat. Scroll all the way down and tap on Leave Group. If you're the admin of that group, then you'll need to make someone else an admin in the group. Once you have selected the new admin, now press Leave. You will then leave the group chat. And there you go, that is how to leave a group chat in the Signal app. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.